The COVID-19 death toll in the States is now at more than 4,000, making it higher than China's. The new coronavirus has killed more than 3,300 people in China, where the outbreak started. The Wimbledon tennis championships were canceled for the first time since the Second World War. This is the latest big sports event to be canceled because of the pandemic. The championships will instead happen from June to July 2021. The United Nations warned late on Tuesday about the severity of the pandemic.
This is indeed the most challenging crisis we have faced since the Second World War. It is a combination, on one hand, of a disease that represents a threat to everybody in the world, and second, because it has an economic impact that will bring a recession that probably has no parallel in the recent past.
There are more than 880,000 cases of COVID-19 around the world. Italy's health minister says the country is extending the lockdown imposed last month until April 13th. Although the growth in Italy's total number of cases is slowing down, fatalities have remained steady at more than 800 a day. The country's COVID-19 death toll sits at more than 12,000. India is running short on protective health gear, forcing some doctors to use whatever they can find: raincoats and sunglasses. More than a dozen doctors in India said they were concerned that without proper gear, they could end up carrying the disease.
No scientific goggles. They provided a sunglass, black colored sunglass. You know, a physician needs to see the color of the patient, various symptoms he needs to see. A black colored sunglass in place of the scientific goggles. And no mask, nothing they are providing.
Riot police in Iraq have repurposed water cannon trucks to disinfect the streets in the fight against the virus. This is the same equipment that was used to break up anti-government demonstrations that started in October. But these mostly stopped in March after the pandemic forced a ban on public gatherings. Going into self-isolation can be pretty lonely, which is why many Australians have turned to adopting a pet.
The companionship, having something around, makes you smile. They do stupid stuff. They hang out with you. They don't judge you. The love is unconditional, so yeah, what's not to like?
The Australian state of New South Wales saw an almost 300% increase in adoptions over the weekend. Thanks for watching Global News. If you want to stay up to date on the latest breaking national and international news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.